We are gathered here this evening to join Ross and Jessica in marriage. They have found in each other a partner in love and life, and they wish to spend the rest of their lives together as husband and wife.
Jessica, since meeting you, I could see how caring you are. You are hardworking, fun, beautiful, and smart. How are you a real person? I cannot wait for the life we will live.
Standing here with you today, surrounded by our closest family and friends in the breathtaking Hawaiian Islands, truly feels like a dream come true. It still amazes me that two people like us, born and raised on two opposite sides of the world, could meet, fall in love, and find their way here together. Thank you for showing me what it is truly means to love and be loved. You make me feel safe, seen, supported, and deeply cherished. I couldn't have asked for a more thoughtful, loving, and devoted partner. I promise to always support your dreams. I promise to challenge you to grow and to grow alongside you. I promise to laugh at your jokes, even the really bad ones. I promise to stand by you through every twist and turns life brings us. I promise to be your best friend, your biggest fan, and your forever travel companion, and to love you and your family with all my heart.
I vow to cherish you every day, to support you in your endeavors, and to celebrate every success. I vow to create a life filled with adventure, laughter, love, to build a family and future that reflects the values we hold dear. I promise to stand by your side through the challenges we may face, to hold your hand and face them together.
As I stand here tonight and I look at him and I am just so proud of my son, I just am in awe. He's wonderful. To me, Jessica is elegance. Very, very kind, very, very thoughtful. We just adore you. And I am just happy to see that you have found one another.
Today is one of the most important days in Jessica's life. As her father, my heart is full with excitement, joy, and of course, a touch of a bittersweet emotion. Jessica, no matter how far life takes you and where you build your new homes, our love for you will remain the same, always and forever.
I love you more than words could ever fully express. I cannot wait to grow with you, to face life's lows and highs, and to keep choosing each other every day for the rest of our lives.
Ross, do you choose Jessica to be your wife, to love her, comfort her, honor, and treasure her faithfully, so long as you both shall live?
I do.
Jessica, do you choose Ross to be your husband, to love him, comfort him, honor, and treasure him faithfully, so long as you both shall live?
Yes, I do.
Jessica and Ross, the words and feelings expressed here today are not just spoken this once and then forgotten, but will be carried out by your actions every day you share together. May any challenges that life brings your way make your marriage grow stronger, and may you always be each other's best friend, life partner, and lasting love. By the authority vested in me by the state of Hawaii, I am delighted to pronounce you husband and wife, and you may seal your vows and celebrate this moment with a kiss.
of time I want to spend with you is limitless, and I do not want to spend another moment of my life without you. Today, tomorrow, and for the rest of our lives, I love you.